we are here with another Sprinter video. In today's video, we will try to address an issue with cold starts. So I did get the extended glow plugs, but the van still has some issues starting up on cold start. Another thing is I recently got a code for glow plugs, so there's probably something wrong with my glow plugs, but let's just show you on a cold start what's happening. And there we go. So it took a while for the van to start. As you notice, it turned over. I had to turn over quite a few times before it started up, but it did turn on eventually. So what we're going to try to do is fix that and make it start up better. And also my check engine light is on, but I can almost guarantee you that is due to the glow plug. So let's get it started. Okay guys, before we wrap the video up and we go start up the van, let's quickly test all the glow plugs that we pulled out. This is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Cylinder 2 was the one throwing the intermittent codes, but we'll just test all of them. Ideally, you want a reading as close to 0 as possible. So, put the reader right there. Touch ground. And positive. Reading is okay. This one is actually good. Didn't have to replace it, but I was there, so I replaced it. This one's good. I didn't have to replace it. Number 2 was throwing the codes, and I'm pretty sure, and I also tested it in the van, but I'm just showing you that there is an issue with it. Touch the leads. 52. That's a little high. We want as close to 0 as possible. So number 2, definitely on the way out. 3. Okay, 3. Okay, 3, slowly going bad. Not bad yet, but it is starting to fail. Let's view 4. 4, not bad, but also a little high. My current resistance just between the two, 0 point, so it's pretty low. So number 4 is not as bad as 2, but it is slowly starting to fail already. This is 5. Okay, 5 is a little bit worse. And 6. 6 is pretty good actually. Not too bad, probably within spec, but we got the numbers. So out of all 6, 2 were within spec and 4 were already a little bit high and starting to fail. So let's see if that changes how the van starts. We are now in the van. Glow plugs. Good. Ooh, that started up way nicer. One thing, checking the lights still on. It will probably go out eventually by itself, or I'll just go clear it, but I'm pretty sure it's still due to the old glow plugs. It will go off by itself if I drive the van around for a little bit. But there you go. In this video, we replaced all 6 glow plugs. 2 of them are okay. A few of them and the rest were on their way out. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.